Welcome to the Madbox. This is Therese. She's a very French. She's not Teresa, she's Therese. Okay. How many square feet of carpet should she buy to cover the entire floor of her room? Here she is. Here's her room. So to cover the floor, well, the floor and the ceiling are the same shape. So let's just look at the ceiling. It's easier to look at. So you got to figure out the area of this L shape at the top. The way to do that, I think the easiest, well, you could either draw a line like that. I like this one. I'm going to break it into two rectangles. This rectangle is 4.5 by whatever this distance is. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Down there is 6. So it's going to be 4.5 times 6, which is 6 times 4 is 24. Half of 6 is 3. Put them together, you get 27. So that part's 27. This is 10 by this distance. You're like, dude, what's that distance? Well, this distance is this. Look down here, it's 7.5. So 10 times 7.5 is 75. Put those two together and you get 102. There you go. How many square feet? 102 square feet. She probably should buy a little extra because she's not looking like the brightest bulb in the pack. You know what I'm saying? If she buys only 102, she's probably going to be going back over to Lowe's, strapping on the mask, trying to keep her gloves on, not touch anything. That's no good. Okay, which air conditioner? So, if you were smart, that's how you say it. If you were smart, you take your 102, because that's the area, and you just multiply it times how tall the sucker is. So you just do 102 times 9, because it's 9 tall. And you get 18 carried to 1. That's a 9. Wait, 9 times 0, 1. Come on, man. Get with the program. So 918 is the cubic feet. So which air conditioner should she buy? She shouldn't buy the Coolmax. That only does 800. Don't do that. She doesn't need to buy the Polar Extreme. That's going to cost so much money. And who walks around in a shirt with her name on it? Like, nobody that's dressed in that nice, she does not have a lot of money. So don't get the Polar Extreme. Get the Ice Storm. 1,500. You got plenty of room left to go. There you go. That's the best choice. All right. Watch her go bye-bye. Oh, she's been wiped from the planet. Yes. Poor thing. Okay, let's do the practice at the bottom. 4 3/4 times a half. Shoot, the easiest way to do this, half of 4 is 2. Half of 3/4 is 3/8. Game over. Drop the mic. And you're like, does that really work, Brian? You take half the 4 and you get that. Half, anytime you're taking half of a fraction, just double the denominator. Works every time. If you don't believe me, let's add them up. 2 3/8 plus 2 3/8 is 4 6/8. 6/8 is the same as, you can divide each one by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 just stays over there. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Shazam. Wow.
You made that look easy, Brian. You must be a real smart teacher.
Okay, let's do the next one. 2/3 times 10 1/5. This one is not as easy. Okay. All right, you got to do this. You got to do it right. What are we going to do? I guess we do 2/3 times 10 and 2/3 times 1/5 and put them together. That doesn't look fun. I'm going to make this one improper. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 1 more is 51/5, because I can. And now I can do that. It's not going to be pretty either. I get 102 over 15. Figure out how many 15s fit in 102. Like, really? Do I even want them? Do I care? Yeah, I do. By gum, I do. What's 8 times 15? Too much. Draw 6 times 15. That's 90. So it's going to be 6. If it's 90, that leaves 12 more. 6 and 12/15, which is the same if I divide by 3 is 6 4/5. Let's see if we got the same answer if we did it the other way. All All right, you just let that answer float right there. Okay, let's do 2/3 times 10. Well, that's cool. Times 10, make it 10 over 1, that's 20/3, okay, which is 6, and 2 are left, 6 and 2/3, and now we do 2/3 times 1/5, and we get 2/15. So I want to put these two things together. Let's make this guy into 15. So that would be 6, and that's times 5. Times 5 is 10. So 10/15 and 2 more 15ths would be 6 and 12/15, which was the same thing. So yep, it works. That's all the practice you need to do. You're done. You did your home link. Do you feel warm and fuzzy inside? I think you do.